Hey guys, Chris back out here at Toons Eufaula, giving you this brand new 2026 H20 Crappie from Xpress. This is from their Hyperlift series, so just stay tuned for this video. We're going to give you a walk around and a walk through, show you all the ins and outs of this boat and everything that she offers. So we'll get into it. So before we get into this walk around and in-depth review of this 2026 Xpress H20 Crappie for you guys, we just want to show you how these boats arrive to us. So this boat is very tightly wrapped. It buckles in the back underneath the motor so you can see that everything is good to go. They take all the care in the world to make sure these boats arrive perfect for you guys. And just doing a little walk around, make sure everything looks good in it, so you can see that when they show up for us, they look good. So we're going to toss it on over and we're going to start this walkthrough. And like I was saying, guys, this is our brand new, beautiful 2026 Xpress H20 Crappie from the Hyperlift series. Freshly unwrapped, as you guys just saw. This is a beautiful 20-foot fishing rig that can do anything you guys need. Just take a look at this beautiful boat on a beautiful back drag trailer as well. We'll get into more details on the inside as we go for you. Just take a look at this thing. Beautiful, beautiful fishing rig. Set up to do anything you guys need, anything you guys want. And the best part is, with Xpresses, you get the lifetime warranty on this hull. They are purpose-built. Let's just take a look in here for you. Beautiful seat venting, and this one also comes with trailer brakes and the swing away cup. We got your cup holder up here with your 3 positioning mounts for your front pedestal seat. They are also the Aeromesh seats. On this side here, we have 2 storage bins. Lots of room for anything you guys need to store. Get another shot of that beautiful tan seat that came out there for you. As we go over here to the console, we can see that the console is blank, but it does come with a 5-inch hummingbird helix. Won't be installed, so if you guys want to upgrade, it's no problem. More storage in the back. Beautiful matte black Xpress badging on the side for you. We have the jack plate on the back with the beautiful, powerful Yamaha 175 SHO VMAX, guys. This thing will push you through the water and get you wherever you need to go whenever you need to. Got another one of those nice, comfortable Aeromesh seats on the back. Got more of a cooler setup there, live well right behind the seats. More of that beautiful seat decking. And these lids are sturdy, guys. This whole boat is just extremely well made from Xpress. And they have a gun locker under your actual seats. How cool is that, guys? You can put rods, guns, whatever you guys want to throw in there. Ultimate utilitarian fishing. And as we open this one up, this is your fishing side. You have your bait bucket in there, which goes in those 2 front doors. You have your bait bucket on the right and the live on the left. More storage in that middle compartment for you. You can see the other side of those 3 positioning for you. Just take another look at this boat, guys. This is a beautiful fishing boat. So come on out to Toons Eufaula today. Ask for Chris. 109-203 South Highway 150, Checotah, Oklahoma. 918-423-5055. You'll have a good one.